Christmas tree lighting ceremony 2025 in Lancaster, Accra. Please give yourselves a big round of applause. The significance of this wonderful celebration, distinguished personalities, happens to be giving us joy and love, hope, the triumph of light over darkness. And religiously, this ceremony represents the birth of Jesus Christ as the light of the world. While secularly, it marks the start of the holiday season, brings communities together for celebrations, and foster togetherness and giving. My name is Daniel Adapo, and I'm very excited to be your MC for today. We'll go quickly back to the choir for a very short interview. Then, of course, we take only 2 speeches for the evening, and the rest is entertainment, drinking, eating, and celebration. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's have the wonderful choir again. Thank you.